Sushant sent an SOS to his sister Meetu Singh days before his demise, allegedly telling his family that he feared for his life. According to sources close to the family who have shared this detail with Times Now, Sushant was paranoid that he may be framed or targeted, and this may yet again hint at a conspiracy angle in the case.
The mystery surrounding his demise seems to get more and more murky with every passing day. Now, Sushant's demise has been linked to many conspiracy theories, including a much larger theory which claims that his demise might actually be the cause of foul play. There's also been another theory that says that Sushant's demise might be linked to the sudden and untimely passing of his former manager Disha Salian. Now, what actually is the truth and what these rumors are, whether they're true or not, will only be clarified once the CBI comes out with its findings. But for now, here's the story.
As per news reports on Times Now, sources close to Sushant's family have told the news channel that just 5 days before he passed away, Sushant had sent an SOS to his sister Meetu Singh, who then stayed with him for a few days to allegedly offer him support and help him stay calm. Siddharth Pathani, who was living with Sushant in the same house, has alleged that Sushant was deeply upset after hearing about Disha's demise. He has reportedly told the CBI that the actor even fainted and asked Siddharth to move into a room close to his, since he was disturbed by the fact that people kept bringing up his name while reporting on Disha's demise. He also allegedly wanted to increase his security after news broke of Disha's suspicious demise. According to a news report, Sushant was paranoid about his safety and is reported to have sent his sister Meetu an SOS message where he allegedly shared that he was worried about his safety and felt his life was in danger. The actor was reportedly very frightened and was also trying to desperately get in touch with Rhea Chakravarti, but since she had blocked his number after their breakup fight, he was unable to speak to her. Sushant also supposedly tried to speak to Rhea's brother Shovik, hoping to get in touch with Rhea but couldn't manage to get in touch with her. It is very urgent that I speak with her because I fear those people will implicate me in something, is what Sushant reportedly told his sister Meetu Singh. It's unclear what it is that Sushant was afraid of, why he was so anxious to get in touch with Rhea. This supposed SOS also raised the question of whether the Mumbai police was aware of the actor being frightened and paranoid about his safety, and if a possible conspiracy angle was being investigated by them. As questions are raised by this news report, investigations continue into the case with the NCB questioning Rhea's former manager Jaya Saha and interrogating about the alleged procurement and consumption of banned substances by Rhea and Sushant. Shruti Modi, Sushant's former manager, has also been questioned by the Bureau, who are looking into a possible banned substance nexus that may be connected to the actor's demise. One can only hope that the truth will finally emerge and bring the late actor's family closure.